I'm Shilpa Bhati. I have to explain a question from textbook and also discuss crosstalk. I will first talk about crosstalk, and after that quadrature carrier multiplexing system and transmitter receiver program, and after that I will explain my question. Crosstalk is a disturbance caused by the rises any error between transmitter and receiver. We will understand in also my question. In this question we are trying to understand quadrature carrier multiplexing. So here we go. I will explain first by transmitter and see what will be my resultant signal, and then I will explain receiver. I have to explain a question. Let first talk about question. Okay, that in the receiver of the quadrature carrier multiplex system of this figure, the local carrier available for demodulation has a phase error file with respect to the carrier source used in the transmitter, and this is the important thing, that we are assuming a distortion communication channel between transmitter and receiver. And what we have to find in this question, we have to show that how this phase error will cause crosstalk to arise between the two demodulated signal at the receiver output. So first let's try to understand this figure. As per the name, carrier signal, we have a carrier signal Ct equal A cos 2 pi fct. So that's what we are translating in the quadrature phase. So now how to translate that in a quadrature phase? As per C over here, there will be a cos 2 pi fct, AC cos 2 pi fct, and if I provide 90-degree phase, in that case my phase will be A sin Ct equal AC sin 2 pi fct. Okay, and so we have two signals. Let's say this x1t and x2t, and here that signal we are giving to product modulator. And now as you give this product modulator, I will explain this. Product modulator, we can write it like x1t AC cos 2 pi fct. I'm sorry, like AC sin 2 pi fct is x2t. Okay, so I will explain this. Add both of this signal and my resultant signal ST. So here is my output will be ST equal x1t AC cos 2 pi fct plus x2t AC sin 2 pi fct. So this is resultant output. Now this is what by transmitting data, and you can observe in the same, and we will see what happened in receiver. Here we have received signal ST, and now again give it to product modulator, and here we have carrier signal generator over here cos 2 pi fct, and here 90-degree phase shifter, so get sin 2 pi fct. Let us see generating y1 dash t and y2 dash t, and after that we are passing it through low pass filter and have output y1 equal 1 by 2 a x1t, and if pass this y2t pass through this low pass filter, we get output y2t equal 1 by 2 a x2t. So like this, y1 y dash 1 equal t equal st cos 2 pi fct. I'll explain only y1 dash t. Similarly it will be y2 dash t. So and now according to I will explain y1 t. What will be y1 t is, what is s? x1 t ac cos 2 pi fct plus x2 t ac sin 2 pi fct cos 2 pi fct. Yeah, so like this, this t equal, how can we write it? x1 t ac cos square 2 pi fct plus x2 t ac cos 2 pi fct sin 2 pi fct. 1 dash t equal, I can write this x1 t ac 1 plus cos 4 pi fct by 2 plus x2 t ac by 2 sin 4 pi fct. So y dash 1 t x1 t ac by 2 plus x1 t by 2 cos 4 pi fct by 2 plus x2 ac by 2 sin 4 pi fc by t. So when we pass it through low pass filter, we will remove this this step, and y1 dash t will be only x1 ac by 2. And now according to the question, when the local carrier have a pass error, phase error file, we may write when a phase error with file, we may write cos 2 pi fct plus file. So we can write it like cos 2 pi fct cos file minus sin 2 pi fct sin file. Yeah. In this case, we find that by multiplying the received signal by cos 2 pi fct plus phi, so received signal multiply by cos 2 pi fct plus phi. Okay, and passing the resulting output through a low pass filter. Output in the receiver has a spectrum equal to, when we pass output through low pass filter, we will get AC by 2 H F minus FC cos phi M1 F minus cos sin phi M2 F. This indicates that there is a crosstalk at the demodulator outputs. So we we had to explain this only, and this is it. Thank you.